Well, we're going to throw some storms into the warmth. We've got a max track that doesn't track anything across the viewing area, but as soon as you pop north and west, you can see there is activity up around Indy. They've had a busy night. Showers, storms ongoing there. It's a weakening round, but still some heavy rain and as well lightning in and around Indianapolis. And then you drop south and west. That's where the real severe weather has been overnight as far as the worst of it. Still ongoing severe storms around Springfield. You can see the warnings, the severe thunderstorm warnings, the polygons, those boxes out ahead of the approaching storm continuing to drop south. So they have been hit hard. So if you look at the local storm reports and the scattering of them, wind, hail, and tornado reports all extend everywhere around us, just not within the Commonwealth. They got hit with those over 80-mile-per-hour winds out towards Philly yesterday. And if you look, we've got a marginal risk for severe storms. It's the same as I showed you yesterday across Kentucky. It's the lowest risk from the Storm Prediction Center, but it means you could see a few strong to severe storms later on today. And here's how it plays out. Can't rule out the possibility of a few through the morning and early afternoon, but I think there should be a main round diving in from the northwest. Here it comes. So it's dropping across southern Indiana, hitting the river, and then eventually getting in here late this afternoon into this evening, timing-wise. And we got the possibility of having that round blow through, diminish overnight. And then just general scattered showers and storms developing in the heat of the day. The future track's really unimpressed with our chances tomorrow. I think we'll see a little more than that, though. And then this cold front dropping in Saturday morning will extend chances for at least a few showers and storms into your Saturday as well. But notice there are big significant breaks in the action there. So we're not going to get washed out over the next 3 days, but we will have some waves to deal with. So the threat, very low end chance for some storms that could throw some damaging wind, a bit of hail our way, and torrential rains. Keep an eye out for that. As far as the tropics are concerned, we've still got Cristobal, and it's down over the Mexico coast. It's actually inland, and it's weakened quite a bit, down to 40-mile-per-hour sustained winds. The concern here is it's eventually going to meander north and make it out into the Gulf. So by late this weekend, early next week, still the potential for it to threaten anywhere from the Florida Panhandle. Still a lot of model uncertainty there, running all the way out towards East Texas. So it'll be interesting to see how that one plays out. But it's still going to be quite a bit of time. Right now it's just drenching Mexico. 69 degrees. We've got temperatures in the 70s elsewhere. High temperatures right back at it. Mid-80s. We hit 86 degrees yesterday, which was our warmest high we've seen so far this year. We may hit 90 degrees Tuesday, and we typically see our first 90-degree high in around mid-June, June 14th. So, that timing would be a little ahead of schedule, but not by that much, about a week. 84 for the high today, right back up to where we've been, but watch out. Could see a few strong to even severe storms later on today. We'll keep a close eye on that possibility. Upper 60s overnight. The 8-day shows temperature staying in the 80s. Even when we drop down, we're only dropping down to around 80. That's our average high for today. Sunday, and loads of sunshine. So the end of the weekend looks really good, and Monday looks good as well. A heat spike, and then more potentially even strong to severe storms trying to kick up toward the middle of next week.